Now, easy to use, self-contained, carry-all, safe, fun, and healthy. For some reason, they didn't have the capacity or wanted to do real pictures. Instead, they chose to do cartoons. Look at this guy. He's pretty happy. And so is the skier over here. Wow. So, you know, you can backpack with this thing. Ooh la la, look at her. Poolside. Hot dogs. Sushi kebab. Or shish kebab. I'm an idiot. Solar burgers. Huh, fish. Wow. Laser cooking cell. I don't really understand what that means, but I guess we're laser cooking. Low cost accessory. Some sort of acronym. I don't understand that either. Stretches menu? Why? Boaters. Skiing. Picnicking. Camping. So there you have it. It pretty much does everything you could possibly imagine. Ooh. Now, I'm not sure if I said this, but as far as I'm aware, this is the only one on the market. If you happen to see one of these on eBay, you might pick it up. Maybe not. So that's that. Now, I don't have super high expectations for this. I really don't. But it is a novelty, and it's actually a really cool concept. And I like that there's kind of this portability involved, but the concept. Oh, yeah, here we go. All right. The concept is really unique because most solar cookers, you're cooking with a medium, right? So you're using some sort of surface, whether it be a cast iron skillet or a vacuum insulated tube as your medium. Whereas this, you're just cooking with direct sunlight onto the food. So to me, that's really interesting. Okay, sorry about that. I'm not really sure. This is probably the stand, and this looks like this will be our cooking skewer. Ooh, that doesn't really fit in there very well. Interesting. So I think that what I'll do is I'll take a picture of this. Welcome to the future. I'm gonna say this does look like pretty decent reflective material. Caution, do not touch surfaces. What? What do you mean? Okay. So it's basically just, I'll put pictures of this stuff up. Oh, it cooks for 3 people? Really? In as little as 10 minutes? Really? Like magic? Hot dogs, shish kebabs, burgers, everything that was on the back. So there's that. And then limited warranty. Yeah, right. I'm sure I can trade this in for a warranty. Not. Nothing on the back. And then what do we have here? Okay, here's our operational instructions. Interesting. So I'm assuming that this is gonna be pretty, how shall we say it? Needing to be tracked. I think that this is gonna require a very constant attention, but that's what I would expect with a solar laser parabola type thing. So there's the basic stuff. So fairly simple, seemingly. Relatively decent plastic for being as old as it is. It's 2019, by the way. The sticker's kind of janky. looks kind of groovy. I'm just realizing now I'm pretty disappointed. This is an accessory, the laser cooking cell, and I don't have it. And I don't know what I'm going to do because there's no way to order it. I might try and retrofit a GoSun tray, possibly. How disappointing. I was wondering how you could fry eggs. Okay. Darn. So it looks like this just kind of goes like that. Okay. So I got it set up. Sliding these into here was not super easy. I can see that as being a failure point. That being said, oh, and it also says that you're gonna have grease dripping on it. I can see that. So the cleaning instructions are basically just to take a damp cloth on these panels. Now these panels I can probably replace with Reflectix. And then there's the skewer. So it's kind of cool. One of the things I like about it is, as you can see here, these angles. So like, you know, midsummer you're gonna have an angle like that, but this angle here looks like it's gonna allow you to cook like in the middle. Basically, if you were in Alaska and the sun was just over the edge. Again, I think 10 minutes might be kind of a gas pipe dream for some of these things, but we'll test the performance on it in the next video here. So that's basically it in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed, and make sure to check out the videos where we actually cook with this thing.